Every night voyaging ship needs a lighthouse. It guides you through the unknown in pursuit of the light of wisdom. This is a factory like no other in the field of central air conditioning. The world's first VRF lighthouse factory. Upgraded automated fin punching production lines, incorporating multiple sets of industry-leading fully automated intelligent equipment. In the unmanned dark production workshops, industry-leading initiatives are constantly taking place, innovatively creating over 40 advanced scenarios with more than 20 industry-first technologies. Here, the future becomes the present at every moment. With leading technology, driving the industrial giant to cut through the waves. Assembly, welding, helium testing. The entire process achieves streamlined automated production in this broad and orderly place. The overhead crane first debuts in the VRF industry, running through logistics line. Quality exists in every detail, seeking precision in millimeters. The flexible application of AI visual guidance significantly speeds up assembly and logistics sorting. The AI brain oversees from the cloud, endure the trials of wind, frost, rain and snow. The quality reaches the top. In the packaging and logistics warehouse, robotic arms and conveyor belts drive the circulation of thousands of goods, ensuring seamless integration between the production workshop and the warehouse. And all the information are ultimately gathered in this digital brain. With massive storage and unprecedented computing power to aid in rapid decision-making. This place focuses on user experiences. Let the beauty of home come faster. This is the world's first VRF lighthouse factory. Everything happening here. Advances manufacturing in digital transformation.